Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Diwali and festive seasons are finally all around the corner, and we are also becoming a little bit normal with the situations right now, of course with the corona and everything. So I think everyone must be busy in cleaning their homes, decorating their homes and decluttering a lot of things that you don't need anymore. We are definitely doing this for like past 15 to 20 days. And you know what? When we were cleaning our wardrobes, especially my mom's wardrobe, we found a lot of old saris which are of no use anymore because they are like old fashioned and my mom doesn't wear this kind of saris anymore. So I thought why not to reuse this sari and make something interesting just for the fun. So I thought why not to make at least one or two items from one sari and let's see how it turns out. And frankly speaking, they turned out to be amazing. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to share some ideas to reuse your old saris. Now, without blabbering much, let's just dive right into the video. Also guys, please do shower some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel if you like any bit of this video. Now, honestly speaking, I didn't think of making this video earlier when I was doing all these things like reusing the sari in different ways. So I really am sorry. I don't have a whole look of the sari, but I do have a remaining part of the sari. So I'll show you that first, that actually how the sari was looking, and then I'll show you what all things I've made from this sari. So this all are the cuttings of a sari. This was the pallu. This was the whole sari. It looked like this. Whole sari was looking like this. This is the pallu and this is the border. So yeah, these are all the cuttings that I have to show you. Now, definitely when we think of reusing a sari, the first thing that comes to our mind is making a kurti or making a sharara or making a skirt, blouse or something like that. Basically a clothing item. So I also did the same thing. The first thing that came into my mind was making a kurti. Now here there is a catch how you can decide which style you can go for. Basically depends on the fall of your sari. My sari was of a silk material and it was a stiff one, like it was not a pure silk, so it was a little bit stiff material. So I thought of making a straight cut kurti. If your sari is like a very flowy georgette or crepe or chiffon, you can go for anarkali saris. You can go for anarkali dresses. It looks amazing. So according to my sari, I decided on making a straight cut kurti for myself. Moving on to the bottom of a kurti, I didn't wanted to go for the same fabric for the bottom because it was embroidered, like it has a little bit of weaving, not embroidery. It has a little bit of weaving, as you can see. It has a little bit of weaving, so I didn't wanted to use same material for my bottoms. So what I did was I got an artificial silk of the same material, same shade, and made straight cut pants out of it. I am a big time lover of straight cut pants and kurtis. So I'm a fan of this style basically. So I went ahead and made a silk pants for myself and you will see how it looks. For the second item, I thought I don't want to go for clothing item anymore. So the second thing that came into my mind was making a home decor item. Now, because of the texture and because of the feel of the sari, I could not think of much. But then searching a lot, going to Pinterest, Instagram, and everything, I thought of making also I have seen something like this similar, not same, from this kind of fabric on Amazon, and it was like hell expensive for 500 or 600 something, and I thought I can make this one from this sari. And the item I'm talking about is a table runner. Look how beautiful it is looking, and it turned out to be so nice, so pretty, and so beautiful. See, it is looking really amazing, and when you put it on your table, it looks really amazing. And for this festive season, we already wanted something which can enhance our dining table look, and frankly speaking, this is the best item out of all three I've made from this sari. This is amazing. I cannot tell you enough to go for this kind of table runners if you have similar saris. I think because of the color also, it looks pretty. I love it. I think if you want to go for any one item out of all the three that I'm showing you today, please go for this one. It will look definitely stunning on your table. Now for the third item, frankly speaking, I was not thinking of any item anymore because I thought two items are more than enough from a sari. I don't want it to be so obvious that I've made all these items from a sari. So I was not thinking of making anything. But one day I was going through random videos on YouTube, and this one day is literally yesterday. So I was going through random videos on YouTube, and I found someone decorating her home with a frame of jute. So firstly, I thought of making the same thing, jute fabric, and making a chevron print. So I thought of making the same frame for myself because I loved it so much and it looked amazing. But suddenly I thought, why not to try with this same sari? As I had the pallu with me, which is of a different weaving. So I thought, yeah, let's try this one, and if it will turn out good, we will keep it, and if it will not look good, we will just remove the fabric. It's just 5 or 10 minutes of work. I thought, why not to try it? So I tried it, and it also turned out to be really good. And you guys, it looks amazing. Remember, this is the pallu. Tell me in the comment section, is it not looking pretty? I find it so pretty. You can definitely try this one. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. It didn't take more than 2 minutes as well. And if you want to decorate some corner of your house with just frames, and you are also fabric lover like me, you can take different prints, play with same kind of colors, and go for different prints. It will look really amazing. You can create a photo collage wall also. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you really liked this video. And if you did, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are making anything out of this, or if you're trying anything out of these ideas that I've shown you, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your response. Also, you can comment down below and also tell me which one was your favorite out of these three. Mine was definitely table runner. Do let me know yours in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.